Did you know that you could probably purchase a home this year without putting down 20%? Hi, it's David Goldberg with United Trust Bank. Happy New Year. I don't know about you, but I love fresh starts and I love the beginning of a new year. And if you're like me and are thinking about maybe starting fresh with a new home this year, I just wanted to provide some information for you on some of the various loan products that are available. You don't necessarily have to put down 20%, as a lot of people believe the misconception. So I provided a couple of resources down below that you can take a look at. And most importantly, what I want to talk to you about is putting down 20% will give you a lower mortgage payment. Of course, you'll have a smaller loan balance, and that's always a good thing. However, there are reasons why you might want to put less down. If you haven't been diligent in saving for retirement or adding to your investments or even just building up an emergency savings account, you definitely don't want to put every last penny you have into your 20% down payment. In those cases, assuming you can afford a slightly higher payment and that's comfortable to your budget, it might make a whole lot more sense to put 15, 10, or even 5% down. And that way you have more money to invest. And I can run some numbers and show you how it works. But just putting money in each month into an investment account instead of putting it into the initial down payment can actually give you a much greater net worth down the road in the future. And that's really smart financial planning. And that's what I like to do for my clients. It's more than just what's the mortgage payment, what's the rate, and what's the minimum down I have to put. It's about planning for your future. So those are things that I'd love to work with you on. If you're just starting to think about maybe buying a house this year, we can run the numbers and take a look at that. And then more importantly, once you have decided to move forward, we then want to get a full pre-approval on you and get you ready to make an offer so that your offer can be accepted. It's still a very competitive real estate market. It's a seller's market. And you need to go in with your best foot forward to get that offer accepted. And that's one of the things that we can help you do with a full pre-approval, not just a pre-qualification. So anyway, we've got loan programs that require as little as 0 down for veterans, or if you're buying in a rural area, 3% down if you're a first-time home buyer. And the trick to that is you can get 3% down if you've owned a home before, just not in the last 3 years. So you're technically a first-time buyer in that case. So 3% in that situation, otherwise 5% for conventional. And then for FHA, 3.5% is the minimum down for FHA loans. We also, on jumbo loans, can structure those depending on the purchase price and depending on where you're buying, with as little as 5% down. So that can be another great way. You can get into a $700,000, $800,000, $900,000 house and put down a small down payment without having to take money from your retirement accounts or your savings and still have a cushion beneath you. So just wanted to be clear on that 20% down is not required by any stretch of the imagination, and it often isn't the best option for most borrowers. So if you have any questions on this, don't hesitate reaching out. I'd love to talk to you, email, text, phone call, whatever works for you, and help you with your financial planning for 2022. Happy New Year. Have a great day.